Hello YouTube, this is Jeff. Just thought I'd shoot this quick little update. Last weekend we had 7-8 inches, maybe 9 inches of snow on the ground, ice. Today's Saturday, January 12th. It's about 70, 72 degrees here in Southwest Ohio. And man, I'm loving it. And guess what I'm getting ready to do? Oh yeah, what's that sound? Oh yeah. Got both of them fired up, letting them warm up. And I think I'm gonna go for a ride. So January 12th in Ohio, and it's about 70, 72 degrees. I don't think there's no need for rocket stoves today. So this is Jeff signing off. Talk to you later.